Hello everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to make a deposit with USDT in Olymp Trade. So there are basically 4 blockchains available. The following are Tron, Ethereum, Binance and Omni. These are the layers of Bitcoin blockchain. First of all, register on the Binance platform. The registration link will be in the description below. After registration, complete the verification so that you can start working on Binance. Now to buy USDT with fiat we have to deposit, and the easiest way is to use credit or debit card. To deposit the USDT in Olymp Trade we have to select the following. You can see it in this picture. To make a deposit, first open the USDT account deposit section, select the amount and the network. Make sure the network must be same as Binance network. Now guys, just copy BEP20 address and paste it on Binance. All completed guys. Now the blockchain will shortly process the transaction and you will receive your USDT in Olymp Trade trading account. Now let's discuss the advantages of trading and using USDT on Olymp Trade. You can get advanced status on 100 USDT deposit only, while it takes $500 to activate an advanced status. The most important thing in these cases is the increase in profitability, which gives more profit, as well as consultations with analysts and many different strategies. For your first deposit in USDT, you can get a prize box where you can win either a great promo code or a market advantage that will enhance your trading. That is it for today guys. I hope this video will help you to evolve in trading. Make sure hit that like and subscribe button and also comment the topics on which you need videos. See you in the next one.
You can join my VIP signals group. I give daily consistent profitable signals there. Many traders have joined me, and they make good profits daily. Link is in the description. You can contact me from there.